First grade ELA for parents and students was designed to use with face-to-face classroom instruction. This is one example of a way that Weebly can be used. This course was designed to provide support to parents for helping their child practice and master first grade standard 8 for ELA. This website provides everything they need to help them work with their child to be successful. There are 5 modules in this website. The modules were broken into subtopics, and each subtopic was a different read aloud for parents to work with their child with on mastering standard 8. On this first page you have a welcome page with the course outline and the delivery method, the workload. Then you have the course information, which gives a brief description of the course and provides the syllabus. Then you have the contact information in case parents or students need to contact the instructor. And then you have the 5 different modules. We'll take a look at Module 1. Module 1 was broken into 4 subtopics, which were 4 different read-alouds. On the overview page, there are a few visual aids to help parents understand what is expected from this standard. And here there is a brief video that is attached that parents can watch with their child that goes over what a character is. Then you have the 3 individual anchor charts that they can review with their child. These are anchor charts that we would have already used in the classroom, but they will be available for parents to look at with their child. And then you go to the next section, which are the individual stories. So we'll take a look at the panda problem, which is the 3rd story of that week. And the panda problem, the students will read the story, then the parents will talk with their child or question their child about the story. Who were the characters in the story? What did the characters in the story do? How did the characters feel? The front cover of the book is provided so that parents could possibly check it out from the library, or if they have this book at home. Also provided is the link on YouTube where they could watch the video of a read aloud with their child if they do not have the book themselves. Again, this is just one way that Weebly for Education could be used, and in this instance it is as a guide for parents to work with their students.